Hello everyone, welcome back to Pixel Village and welcome to the second part of the CEIF 2023 report by Pixel Village. Well, this one is slightly different, okay? In fact, I have to give you a small background to this video. Now, we started Pixel Village way back in 2017. We started putting up our videos by the end of 2017, and thanks to all of you who are watching this video, the channel picked up. We were kind of certain that you were liking the video, but we were not really getting opportunities to interact with our audiences directly. But CEIF, yes, I got a glimpse of it in CEIF 2019, then the 2020, and we were much smaller. We were like under 1 lakh subscribers during that time, and in 2 years, thanks to our viewers and subscribers, we have a decent subscriber base, and we got to interact with a much larger audience this time. And during our walk, during the exhibition, we bumped into many of our subscribers, and this video is dedicated to all of them, and thank you very much for the feedback. And now we feel that all the time that we have spent building Pixel Village is worth every bit of it. So this video is specially dedicated to our subscribers. Thank you very much.
मैंने सारे के सारे वीडियोस सर के देखता हूँ प्रॉपर, जो सर गाइड करते हैं लाइटिंग से रिलेटेड और कैमरा से रिलेटेड, मोबाइल रिव्यूज़, एवरीथिंग।
थैंक यू।
सर मैं पिक्सल विलेज काफ़ी टाइम से फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, जब स्टार्ट हुआ ना तब से अप्रोक्सीमेटली, और वीडियोस इतने कैचिंग है ना। इवन आपकी लेंस की वगैरह वीडियो है, लाइटिंग की वीडियो है, सारी वीडियो मैंने देखी है, बहुत कैचिंग वीडियो है, बहुत फैंटेस्टिक। और साउंड, मुझे आपका साउंड बहुत पसंद है, जो थोड़ा सा एजुकेशन के लिए नेसेसरी साउंड है, वो लगता है मुझे, एंड काफ़ी मज़ा आता है वीडियो में। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द एजुकेटिंग अस।
थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
ॲक्च्युली सर, मी ब्लॅक अँड व्हाईट फोटोग्राफी वगैरे सगळं मॅन्युअल फोटोग्राफीवरती काम केलेलं आहे. म्हणजे माझा FM10 कॅमेरा आहे माझ्याकडे, निकॉन FM10. तिथपासून ते आता मिररलेसपर्यंत सगळं जनरेशन पाहिलेलं आहे मी, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये कुठेतरी मिस आऊट होत होतं की न्यू जनरेशनबरोबर कसं मॅच करायचं आहे. आणि जेव्हा मला तुमचं चॅनल्स मिळालं, सो ते मोटिवेशन होतं माझ्यासाठी, आणि लिटरली इट्स न्यू स्टार्ट फॉर मी. मला सुद्धा इन्स्पिरेशन मिळालं की हे चॅनल मी पण सुरू करू शकते, म्हणजे बेसिक फोटोग्राफीची माहिती देऊ शकते.
आपका चॅनल है अभी?
आत्ता नाही आहे, बट मी प्रिपेअर करते आहे स्वतःला, आणि मी तुमचे खूप सारे बघितलेले आहेत, म्हणजे मोबाईल फोटोग्राफीचे. आणि मला सगळ्यात जास्त आवडलेला व्हिडिओ म्हणजे तुम्ही एक लाईटचं इफेक्ट दाखवला होता, तुम्ही टी व्ही बघण्याचं जे शूट कसं करायचं. मोस्ट इन्स्पायरिंग व्हिडिओ आहे तो माझ्यासाठी.
Thank you very much, and all the best for your new channel.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello, very good afternoon, and very good to see you, sir, out here at the photo fair. Would like to convey thanks to sir and the entire team for Pixel Village for the wonderful learning videos, the knowledge sharing that he is doing. So we have been following you, we have been seeing the videos, and it's a lot of learning from you as well.
I'm an architect turned photographer, so I completed my architecture back in 2017, and before that I started my journey as a photographer way back in 2012-13. So I'm a self-taught photographer, proudly. And I've been learning a lot of things from YouTube. That has been a main source of my knowledge, and you can see skill set. So from there I used to learn a lot of things. I've been following Pixel Village since a long time, since I think the channel has started. And yeah, there has been so many things that have pushed me to go out and shoot and do some trial and error stuff. So every time I go out, I started off with shooting a different kind of genre. So once that genre is done, I used to come back home and go through the images, do figure out what has gone wrong, and then go out next time and correct those things. So that is how I polished my skills, and ultimately by the time I completed my architecture, I was like so confident with myself that I did not go ahead with architecture and do masters, but instead I become a professional photographer from there on. So the journey has been beautiful so far, and thanks to your channel Pixel Village, it has been a huge help.
मैंने जब से अपनी फोटोग्राफी कैरियर स्टार्ट की, देन राधा सर इज़ माई आइडियल, और मैं इनका वीडियो हमेशा देखता रहता था, और वो इनसे पर्सनली आज पहली बार मिल रहा हूँ तो मेरी खुशी का ठिकाना नहीं है। और इनका जो एक क्लास लेवल जो है वो सिखाने का या फिर बताने का थ्रू द वीडियो यूट्यूब पर, वो मैंने कहीं नहीं देखा। दे ऑल मतलब जो है वो सारे लोग जो है वो उनका तरीका और इनके तरीका में आसमान ज़मीन का अंतर था। फिर जैसे ही जब मैंने जाना कि इनका एकेडमी पुणे में खुला है, तो मैं पर्सनली टाइम की कमी कारण नहीं जा पा रहा था, लेकिन अभी मिलने के बाद मैंने बोला कि मैं सर पर्सनली एक बार मैंने इनको मैसेज भी किया था कि भाई मैं एक बार ज़रूर आपके पास आके मिलना चाहता हूँ, एकेडमी देखना चाहता हूँ। और मैं बिहार से हूँ, तो बिहार पटना से, तो वहाँ के लोगों को बहुत इंटरेस्ट है कि भाई कोई ऐसा एकेडमी हो जहाँ के जाके पूरा अच्छा से सीख सके। तो मैं उनको बताता रहता हूँ कि भाई ये अभी पुणे में खुला है, और सौभाग्य मेरा होगा कि हम वहाँ जाके मिलेंगे और जो है फिर आपको आके बताएंगे।
We have a special follower from Nepal.
आपका वीडियो लगभग 3-4 साल पहले से आपको मैं फॉलो करता हूँ और देखता रहता हूँ। हर वीडियो आपको मतलब अच्छा लगता है, जो हर एक जो नया प्रोडक्ट के बारे में जो एक्सप्लेन करते हैं वो हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है सर।
So actually I have an interest for photography and I don't know where to learn. I've seen many YouTube channels and all. So even I can't afford lakhs for the photography courses. So then I came to know Pixel Village. From the starting video, I have seen every video of him making latest equipments, latest videos, trending videos. Now I have become a professional photographer and I have a 12 members of team in my studio. So I own a wedding photography firm there, and even usually 30 to 40 weddings in a year we used to do. Everything because of him. I always wanted to meet him, but today I don't know, the destiny has brought me here and I was his Priya Shisha. I can say it's like an Ekalavya for him. So very great to see you here and keep continuing doing. And like me people, there are a lot of people who don't understand the language so many times. So you have to do for the all languages as well. And definitely I thank you, and everyone has to see the videos and inspire and get into the wedding photography or the any photography field. Thank you.
So I started watching RK sir's video during lockdown, and yes, so I started with the mobile photography. In my home, I just started taking photographs of the small toys with just my normal camera, like phone camera. Then afterwards I thought that I should give a try towards the photography as well. So I took RK sir's the basics of camera course right now. So currently I'm busy with my job, but I'm also learning side by side with the photography as well. And yes, I'm getting to understand what are some of the basic things in which are very important in photography, especially the light. So no matter what camera it is, the most important thing RK sir just tells us is understanding the light. So yes, so I'm enjoying this, and yeah, I would love to be a part of learning with the Pixel Village. Yes.